Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the new Powerbeats. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $150. Now they're available in 3 different colors. You got red, black, and white. Now I'm going to do a full review on these, and at the end of the video, I'll answer the main question everybody been asking me, is do these sound the same or better than the Powerbeats Pro? And should you spend an extra $100 and get the Powerbeats Pro, or just get the Powerbeats? Now keep this in mind. The Powerbeats Pro are truly wireless. The Powerbeats, wired connection. All right, so let's check these out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. All right, here we go. Powerbeats, $150. Let's go through the features real quick. Battery life up to 15 hours. Now these also feature fast fuel. So 5 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour worth of playback time. These are sweat and water resistant earphones. All right, so these are perfect for the gym. Hold on a second. Ladies and gentlemen, guess who's late? They're back in the building. White Shoes, back in the building. Let's go. White Shoes, calm down. All right, I'm going to have to dock you a couple of minutes pay for this one. All right, where was we? All right, sweat and water resistant, adjustable secure fit ear hooks, on-air controls for music and calls. Okay, wireless high-performance Bluetooth earphones with carrying case. All right, $150. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. We got Agent Orange today. Here we go. Let's see what it is. Shoes knows exactly when some wires is getting ready to hit the table. Now, on a side note, when I said wired connection, I don't mean wired from the earphones to your phone, wired from one earbud to the next. Okay, let's get it in. All right, let's see. Okay, package is trolling me. All right, there it is. Outside, you got your Beats logo. Nice black box. Giggity. Here we go. Red Powerbeats. Okay, now, you see, wired to each other, as opposed to truly wireless. Let's see what else you get. Okay, it's a little foam. Fast fuel. Like I said, 5 minutes of charge, give you 1 hour worth of playback. This is going to be your charging cable. Now, the charging cable is super short. All right, USB-A to lightning adapter. All right, Shoes, I need you to calm down. All right, calm down. Let's see what else you get in here. You get some different size ear tips. All right, so find the right ones that fit you. Got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. And of course, you got your Beats Troll stickers. You know what to do. Let's see anything else. All right, Shoes, calm down. Got a little carrying case. And that's pretty much it. Now, the carrying case has a little Beats logo on it and a little drawstring. Now, back to the Powerbeats. Let me do the smell test on these. These smell like gains. All right, shout out to everybody that's on coronavirus lockdown. You still got to get your gains on at home. So get a set of Powerbeats, work out in the backyard. Or like I'm going to do, work out in my basement. Let's see, on one side, you got your volume up and down. Okay, you got your Beats logo, which is an actual button. On the other side, got your multifunctional button. Got a little LED. And another little Beats button on this side. And that's pretty much it. All right, Shoes, you want to hear these? All right, Shoes, take a listen for yourself. No music on just yet. All right, Shoes. All right, Shoes, scoot. Scoot. I gotta work on my knife hand because Shoes ain't respecting it lately. Let me try that one more time. Calm down. I gotta get my game up. Anyway, let me pause the video. I'll grab a phone. We'll pair these up. And then we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, before we start our usual testing, let's do a little size comparison with the Powerbeats and the Powerbeats Pro. Okay, let's see. Now, if you put them side by side, yeah, they're basically the same size. All right, but the Powerbeats are wired. Powerbeats Pro, truly wireless. All right, let me grab a phone. All right, so first up, charging up your earbuds. All you got to do is grab the lightning adapter, plug it in, plug in your USB-A, and you're ready to go. Now, let's pair these up. So I'm going to hit the power button. Let's turn these on. Okay, there's your light. Take it to the iPhone. and you immediately got your pop-up. Let's hit connect, and let's see how long this takes to actually pair up. Let's see. Announce messages with Siri. Why not? Done. Less than 15 seconds to fully pair these up. That's a good look. All right, so I just put these in my ears, and the fit is nice and comfortable and very tight and snug. Matter of fact, let me do the head shake test. Now I already know these ain't going nowhere, so I'm going to start off with maximum shakeage. Here we go. Whew. Maximum shakeage, no movement at all. Now let me show you what they're going to look like when you're wearing them. There it is. Just like the Powerbeats Pro, but now you got a little wire. So that's going to be good for people that lose earbuds. You ain't going to have to worry about dropping these anywhere, and you're not going to lose them. All right, so I got one of my favorite songs queued up, Joe featuring G-Unit, Ride With You. Now we're going to start off at max volume, one tap on the right side for play and pause, and I promise y'all I'm not going to sing. But let me grab my mic just in case. All right, here we go. Birdman hands rubbing together. Let's test these out. Woo! Okay. Definitely loud. Definitely got that bass. Da, 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 da. Oh, I'm starting to feel it. Baby, on a rock and roll with you to the cover up. We'll still hit the blocks and the shows with you. Can you picture me and you? None of your friends, no crew. We can do whatever you want to. I'll get your mind off whatever you're going through. Just sit back and relax to the sound of the sound. I'm hood, but that don't mean I ride around with the rats. I work at Mickey D's a couple pounds in the side. Let's go. Look at what we've got right here. Such a work of art, but I give my heart to anything you wanna do, so that you will be mine. I give up all my time, put in my spine, soul in my body. Let's go. I wanna ride with you, ride with you. I wanna move with you, move with you, move with you. I wanna ride. Let's go. Ride. All right, hold up. Woo! Okay, let me pause that real quick. Whew. Getting that coronavirus out of my system. Let's go. All right, here we go. So far, I got to keep it real. These are a classic pair of Beats headphones. All right, if you bought Beats headphones in the past, you know what to expect. Loud sound and a lot of bass. And these right here are going to deliver that. Now, I'm going to pause the video. Let me catch my breath. I want to try a few different songs, and we'll test out the rest of the features. All right, so now I'm going to do the range test. Now, these feature Class 1 Bluetooth technology, so they should be guaranteed 30 feet, but we'll walk all the way to 40 feet and 50 feet just to be safe. All right, let's hit play on the music. Got some club music queued up. Here we go. Start walking. What up, Shoes? All right, this is 30 feet. 40 feet, 50 feet. I'm coming back. Okay, here we go. Follow me, Shoes. Let's go. All right, coming back. Hold up. All right, I'm getting my energy back. Here we go. Woo! This song right here. All right, you feeling down? Throw on Follow Me. But anyway, I walked all the way to 50 feet, no drop connection at all. All right, so now let's check the button controls. One tap on the right side for play and pause, and it'll also answer and end phone calls. Okay, no problems with that. Now let's check the volume controls. We'll use the volume rocker. Okay, volume all the way at max. Let's turn the volume all the way down. Okay, no problems with that. Now double tap on the right side to skip to the next song. Okay, that works fine. Triple tap on the right side. That'll reverse. Okay, start it over. And it just reversed. All right, no problems with that. And long press to activate your Siri. What's the weather for today? All right, so all of the controls work. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Let's see. Now I'm watching a YouTube video. Let's wait for some dialogue. Okay, no lag at all. All right, let me try some Netflix real quick. All right, so let's take it over to Netflix. Got Outbreak queued up. Okay, no lag at all. So these will be perfect for watching your videos. All right, so now let's check the call quality. All right, since Amaya just blew me up, let's call her and do a little test. All right, Powerbeats. Let's get max volume. Yeah. Coronavirus. Yo, I'm about to bed though. I'm feeling good. I'm coming back. Yeah, I'm coming back. Yeah, you see, I'm sounding good now, right? All right, what's up? What's up? What you doing? Yeah, oh, I got the lit Rona now. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the lit stages. What up? What you doing? You online running? Oh, you're online school. I thought you said you was online running. All right, I was about to say. All right, check this out. I'm in the middle of doing a YouTube video, right? I'm testing out some headphones. How do I sound? It sound like a regular phone? All right. Well, this is an Apple product, so you know. All right, I'm testing out these new Apple headphones called the Powerbeats. All right, I'm gonna bless you with these so you can get your workout on. All right, fatty. I'm over here getting mad fat, yep. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna FaceTime you in a minute and ruin your schoolwork. All right, baby. Bye. All right. No problems with these for phone calls. Sounded crystal clear, nice and loud. I heard her fine. She heard me fine. You hear the person out of both ears. All right, so these will be great for talking on the phone. All right, so now for the main event. Which one sound better, the Powerbeats or the Powerbeats Pro? Let's find out. All right, so I just tested both of these out using the same phone, the same song, with the same volume. And I got to be honest with you, I'm impressed. All right, the Powerbeats, they pretty much sound identical to the Powerbeats Pro. Now, I would say if I want to be petty, the Powerbeats Pro might have a teeny bit more bass, a teeny bit. But other than that, volume levels, they get exactly the same loudness. They pretty much sound the same. So check this out. If you don't care about truly wireless and you want that beat sound, save $100 and get the Powerbeats. Trust me, all right, they're going to sound basically exactly the same. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the new Powerbeats are a major, major, major go. Are these worth $150? The answer is yes, worth every penny. Now, the fit is perfect. All right, if you're wearing them to the gym, they're not going to move around. They're not going to fall out. Nice and tight, nice and snug. They're water resistant. You got 15 hours worth of battery with fast charge. All right, so you charge them up for 5 minutes. You get an hour worth of playtime. No lag when you're watching your videos. The Bluetooth connection is strong and stable, over 50 feet. Crystal clear phone calls. But the best part about these, the sound. That classic beat sound. Nice and loud, crazy highs and mids, and a good deep punchy bass. No muddy bass on these. Like I said, $150, the price is right. Anyway, Powerbeats, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.